In this video, we will look at what is the bear Harami pattern. Okay, very interesting pattern. It's a bearish reversal pattern. Okay, the word Harami in Japanese means pregnant, and you will understand why they use this word when you look at the pattern. Basically, it's these two candles, and it's like this candle is pregnant with this small baby candle. That is why the name Harami, and between A and M there is a L that is silent. Anyways, that's a bear Harami pattern. This is a daily time frame chart of Meta, the company that owns Facebook and WhatsApp. So let's try to understand how to identify the pattern. It's very important how to correctly identify a particular pattern, and candlesticks have very specific rules. The candlesticks terminology have very specific rules to identify a pattern. If you don't know those rules, you will misidentify a particular pattern, or you will wrongly identify a pattern and you might make a mistake. So learn these things very carefully. So the first condition is the bear Harami pattern. Since it is a bearish reversal pattern, it must come after a uptrend. The second condition is the first candle of the pattern should be a tall green real body. Now there is no specific definition of tall, but you look at other candles on the chart, this is sufficiently a tall candle. The third condition is the second candle of the pattern should be a small real body. I am not talking about the shadows, okay? I am only talking about the real bodies. It should be a small real body. The fourth condition is the second candle's real body should be completely engulfed by the first candle real body. The fifth condition is the second candle can be of any color. It can be green color as well. Number 6, the height of the real body of the second candle should be less than 20% of the height of the real body of the first candle. So basically this candle should be 1/5 or less than the real body of the first candle. So these are the conditions. If you don't know these 6 conditions, and if you look at two candles and you say it's a bear Harami pattern, you are making a mistake. Okay, all of these 6 conditions must be satisfied for you to call it a bear Harami pattern. Okay, next, the high of the bear Harami pattern does not become resistance. Next, you are not allowed to initiate a trade on this pattern. It is just a pattern where you can scale out of existing positions. So which means if you buy here somewhere, this is a great time to take a partial exit or maybe a full exit if you want, depending on your money management rules. Next, it is a reversal pattern. Reversal doesn't mean that the price will reverse. Reversal means that the price can either go sideways or down. The probability of either of these two events happening is very high. The probability that the market will go up from here is very low. That is what is meant by reversal candle pattern, and the bear Harami is a reversal candle pattern. So you have to be ready for both of these possibilities. The high of the bear Harami does not become resistance, and this is a good point to take at least a partial exit, and you will understand why I say that. So let's look at what happens next on this chart. So as you can see, I told you it can either go sideways or it can either go down. Okay, in this case it went sideways and then went down. So this was the perfect point in the market to take a partial exit or a full exit, because if you don't exit here, you are wasting time here. This is called waste of time. And if you find yourself here, then that is called waste of time and money. This is waste of time and money, and this is only a waste of time, not money. Okay, So that's the bear Harami pattern for you. Similarly, you have the bull Harami pattern, just reverse the rules, and that is how you would interpret the pattern. It's very easy, nothing complicated. If you want to learn all the patterns in detail, go to this link, check out the Japanese candlesticks trading mastery program that I have created. It has thousands of students from more than 170 countries, and it has more than 1000 chart examples like this. Okay, so learn each and every pattern correctly. There are 45 candle patterns approximately. Okay, 45 candle patterns. Learn these candle patterns properly. It might take you 6 months, 1 year, but it is worth the investment. You can pinpoint the exact location where you are supposed to sell.